Looking for the best camping gadgets to upgrade your next trip? In this video, we've rounded up must-have camping gear and outdoor gadgets that every camper needs in 2025. Whether you're into backpacking, hiking, overlanding, or family camping, these Amazon camping essentials will take your outdoor experience to the next level. From portable power stations and multifunctional tools to innovative cooking gear and survival must-haves, we've got the most practical and coolest gadgets that are perfect for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. Without further ado, let's get started. When venturing into the outdoors, a reliable backpack is essential to carry your gear comfortably and securely. The Simpste hiking backpack offers an expandable design with a large capacity, making it perfect for men and women who need extra space for their essentials. This versatile day pack can be expanded via a bottom zipper, providing ample room for camping supplies, clothes, and outdoor gear, while the side buckles keep everything compact and secure. With reinforced zippers, adjustable chest and waist straps, and a breathable mesh back panel, it ensures comfort and durability even during long hikes. Ideal for hiking, camping, travel, or daily use, it's a practical solution for any adventure. Starting a fire in tough conditions requires a dependable, quick igniting solution that works every time. The Inflame fire starters provide 130 natural, waterproof, and weather-resistant fire starters made from wood shavings and Dutch food-grade wax, offering a clean and odor-free burn. Compact and convenient, they fit easily in any backpack or gear bag without the need for special storage. Whether you're lighting a fireplace, grill, wood stove, fire pit, pizza oven, or campfire, these multi-purpose fire starters ignite charcoal, large firewood, briquettes, pellets, and more with ease. Just place one or two under your fuel, light it from the side, and enjoy a strong, reliable flame, no matter the weather or setting. Shelter from the elements is essential for any outdoor adventure, whether you're hiking, camping, or biking. Introducing the Bina camping tent, a lightweight, durable 3-season backpacking tent designed for 2 people, offering a perfect balance of comfort and portability. Crafted from 20D300 ATT nylon with a high-quality aluminum frame, this freestanding double-layer tent is tough, breathable, and insect-resistant thanks to its high-density B3 mesh. It features 2 D-shaped doors for easy access and includes a footprint that allows the rainfly to function independently as an awning. Easy to carry in its compact bag, this versatile tent is ideal for spring, summer, and fall trips in the great outdoors. Staying warm and comfortable at night is vital when you're exploring the outdoors, especially in unpredictable weather. Introducing the Featherstone Moondance Sleeping Bag, a high-performance alternative to traditional mummy bags, offering ultralight comfort for backpacking, camping, and through hiking. Filled with RDS-certified DownTech Duck Down, it features 850 fill power insulation for an exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio and compressibility. The technical 10D nylon shell is breathable yet retains heat, preventing that clammy sleeping bag feel. ISO tested to a 26 degrees Fahrenheit T-limit, it's ideal for multi-season use. Versatile enough to double as a blanket or underquilt for hammocks. It includes a compression stuff sack and pad straps for a complete packable sleep system. When unexpected rain hits, having a reliable and easy-to-use umbrella can make all the difference. The Gorilla Gripstick umbrella offers strong protection with a compact, travel-friendly design that doesn't compromise on durability. Built with 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs, this umbrella is wind-resistant and capable of withstanding tough weather conditions. Its durable fabric repels water and dries quickly, keeping you dry and comfortable. The soft touch handle features a convenient one-click automatic open and close system, making it easy to use with just one hand. Lightweight and easily collapsible, it fits perfectly into bags or backpacks, ideal for commuting, traveling, or everyday use in unpredictable weather. Having a stable, lightweight surface for outdoor meals, gear, or relaxation enhances any adventure. Meet the iClimb Mini Table, an ultralight, compact folding aluminum table designed for durability and convenience, weighing only 1.5 pounds, yet supporting up to 66 pounds. Unlike typical bungee-connected tables, it features a unique hinge design for long-lasting use. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, corrosion-resistant, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Setup takes seconds. Just unfold the base and secure the top bars. Ideal for holding drinks and snacks while camping, picnicking, fishing, or relaxing at the beach or in your garden. It even works as a handy bedside table and includes a carry bag for easy transport. When emergencies strike or you're deep in the wilderness, quick, nutritious meals are essential. The Safe Castle freeze-dried food offers a convenient, high-protein, gluten-free option that's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency prep. Made with 100% real pre-cooked beef, it's freeze-dried to preserve flavor, nutrition, and long shelf life. Preparing it is easy. Just add boiling water, stir, reseal, wait a few minutes, and enjoy. Feed a crowd in just 10 minutes with this lightweight, versatile meal option. Great for mixing into any dish, it's ideal for on-the-go nutrition. Whether you're outdoors or preparing for the unexpected, this beef keeps your meals hearty and hassle-free. Long hours under the sun during outdoor activities demand reliable shade that's easy to carry and quick to set up. Meet the Nesso Sidelines Grande Sun Shelter, A versatile portable canopy built for sports events, camping and backyard lounging. Made from a high-quality nylon lycra blend with patented reinforced corners and rust-proof aluminum poles, it's durable and water-resistant. The shelter provides UPF 50+ protection, blocking 98% of harmful UV rays. It includes 100% recycled ultimate ground stakes, carabiners, daisy chain loops, and 2 support poles for flexible setup. Clip it to trees, fences, or rocks. Lightweight and compact, it fits in a carry-on or over your shoulder for shade wherever you go.